because yesterday's lesson goes with today's lesson. Yesterday we talked about odd Todd and even Steven. And we talked about how even Steven likes even groups. Odd Todd has one left out and is odd. And today in our lesson, we're going to be focusing on the even ones. I have not showed you a number rock video this year, have I?
No.
Okay, number rock is another group of videos that I like to show. Schoolhouse Rock is for grammar, and Grammaropolis is for grammar. Number rock is for math because it's about numbers, okay? So we're going to watch this video. It's called the Even and Odd Number Squad. Not right now. No. One second. For some reason,
We can't hear a slider.
it is super duper quiet.
I can kind of hear it.
Okay, let's try this now.
I thought we listened to
I was exploring an enchanted wood. A wise fox started talking, I somehow understood. She asked,
Please, will you join me beneath this pine?
she whispered,
For you, even numbers I'll define. They are 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Even numbers all share one trait. You can split them down the middle. If they make pairs, you've solved the riddle. 'Cause 1 plus 1 equals 2, and 2 plus 2 makes 4, it's true. Then 3 plus 3 equals 6, and 4 plus 4 makes 8 makes 6. Numbers big and small. Today we're gonna count them all. Some are even, some are odd. Won't you join our counting squad?
we walked further into the forest when a rat squeaked.
Please sit with me and be my guest. And I'll take the time to show you how to tell which numbers are odd.
We looked at the fox and she gave a sly nod.
The first 5 odd numbers in line are 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. They are not divisible by 2, and for all odd numbers, the same is true. Between 1 and 10, there are 5 of them. Now I'll count the odd numbers again. 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. They're every other number on the number line. Numbers big and small. Today we're gonna count them all. Some are even, some are odd. Won't you join our counting squad?
7, 9.
And we were met by a barn owl, perched outside his birdhouse on a dowel. He said,
Please visit with me just for a short time, and I'll discuss bigger, even, and odd numbers as I rhyme. Bigger numbers are even or odd too, and the last digit holds the clue. So what about the number 72? It's even because it ends in 2. Or what about the number 93? That number's odd because you see, the last digit's the odd number 3, which means it can't be split evenly.
Numbers big and small. Today we're gonna count them all.
Thomas Murphy.
Some are even, some are odd.
1,
Won't you join our counting
5,
squad?
6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, they're all on
into the
numbers.
wilderness. An alligator
And,
appeared from
you'll
the
go to
darkness.
110.
I've got a special number to teach you. For you must learn about 0 before your journey's through. 0 can't be split to make a new amount, but it's still even when you count. 'Cause if 0's a number's final digit, that number can be evenly split. For instance, consider the number 10. Let's split it in half and we'll see then. It makes 2 5s and that's a pair. If it ends in 0, an even number's there. Ha-ha!
Numbers big and small. Today we're gonna count them all.
Ha-ha!
Some are even, some are odd. Won't you join our counting squad?
Come on, join in.
Numbers big and small. Today we're gonna count them all.
Yep, all of them.
Some are even.
much fun.
Visit numberrock.com.
Do you guys like number rack?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do it again.
We are not going to have time to do this one again, but we will do another one soon because they have lots of number rock videos that work on our math skills and concepts that we're learning. So today, we're going to talk about how we can figure out a sum of equal numbers. So this lesson I think will be pretty easy because you guys are understanding how we have to have equal numbers. Not right now. In the middle of the math lesson. Nope. And how we can find the sum. So Mrs. Murphy's will move here. Here's our essential question. How can equal groups help me add? So we're looking for equal groups. And we're going to start on our model. We have Garrett, who has six chickens on his farm. Cassie also has 6 chickens on her farm. We are going to not place the objects, but I'm gonna pick somebody to come up here and draw 6 more chickens that are circles, because we are not going to take time to draw a chicken like this, and it's probably not going to even happen. So I'm going to draw a stick, and I want to see if somebody can show me if this is Garrett's 6 chickens. Underneath there, I want you to show me Cassie's 6 chickens. So let's pick Louis. Yes. Yep, I will keep it on. You certainly can use my pen. Okay, so let's just wait 1 second before my pen pops up. Okay, so you can. So, Louis, underneath, wait, I want you to draw the chickens. This is Garrett's 1. Good, Cassie has 1. She has 2. She has 3. She has 4. She has 5. She has 6. So Cassie is the circle. She has 6 chickens, just like Garrett. Garrett also has 6. Do they have an equal number of chickens? Yes. So right over here. Did you guys notice something?
Yeah.
What did they put first?
Minus.
No.
The equal. They gotta do it backwards.
Sometimes they're going to try to trick you. Brooklyn? They're going to try to trick you. They're going to put the equals first, and they want your sum first, which is your answer. Do we know the answer yet?
No.
No. So we need to not do that part first. It's okay to skip that, but we know our first add-in is 6. That's Garrett. Now Cassie is how much? How many chickens? 6. So put in there 6. Now, 6 plus 6. Oh my gosh.
12.
Mrs. Murphy can think of this as a double.
6
Gretel, what is 6 plus 6? 12.
12.
What if I didn't? What if I didn't know the double? What else could I do? Louis?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
I definitely could do that. I could count each one, but that would take a long time. So I could count each one.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Oh, I could say the bigger number, 6, and then count 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's another way to do it. Allie, what else can you do?
6 times 2.
Oh, you're doing multiplication. Your friends aren't quite ready for that, but you are. So Ellie's saying, I have 6 in a group, and I have 2 groups. And she already knows 6 times 2 is 12. That is definitely right. But we're not quite ready. Not everybody's ready for multiplication. Kinsley.
2, 4, 6, 8. I was gonna say that!
Yes, a lot of you are thinking that. I can count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And I'm skip counting, and I'm also putting them into groups like we did yesterday. Oh, not yesterday, we talked about odd and even, but groups, and we didn't have any left over. So I definitely could do that. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay? Did you have another way, Addie?
You could, by 3, 6.
If you could, that might be a little confusing.
Yeah, but also,
2, 6.
you just add up 6, then you add up another 6.
Well, we know that's a double, right? 6 plus 6 is 12. Yeah, so like I said, we could do a double. LEA.
You can also do 5, 10. You can do 5 plus 5 equals 10, but you add 2 more.
You could think of that way. Here's 5 and here's 5 more. So 5 plus 5 is 10, and then you have 2 more. 11, 12. Okay, one last. Raylan, you haven't had a chance to share. I saw your hand.
4 times 3.
That's multiplication. Yes, that would work. Okay, Brooklyn, last one. No, mask up. Can't come up here until you mess up.
I realized, see, 2, 4, 6. It's kind of like, I thought it was like odd.
You could group them this way. We were grouping this way, but you could go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and group that way.
It's like odd.
Okay.
It's like, the number's odd.
No, the numbers are not.
It's odd.
Okay, now Lewis, can you put your answer 12 up here? Now you probably noticed 6 and 6 are both even. Is your answer even?
No.
Is 12 even?
Yes.
Good. I only heard Raylan there.
Yes.
I only heard Raylan there for a moment, so I knew he knew his even and odd numbers, but yes, 12 is even. Okay, Ellie, last thing, and then we're going to the next page.
4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 12.
Right, but we're not grouping that way. So that's why I said with Raylan, yes, that is right, but that we're not really grouping that way. But you're right, you could do that. Okay, Lewis, I'll take that.
What's it do?
And we have it right. Okay,
Yes.
now we're going to practice this in our worksheet today. So I'm going to X about it here. I'm going to stop our video.